When it's Tuesday night on One, every second counts. At 7:30, accusations.
He didn't do it.
Yes, well, you know what they say. There's nothing so blind as a mother's love.
At 8, a blast from Reggie Perrin's past.
What's it like in Brazil in the winter? Chilly.
At 8:30, a question of sport has guests Peter Beardsley, Fatima Whitbread, Carl Hooper and David Seaman. And at 9:30, mysteries and revelations, making out.
Yes, can I help you?
Yes, I was just wondering, do you have any jobs going here?
On Film 91, Kenneth Branagh directs and stars in Dead Again, an unusual and twisting tale of murder and possible reincarnation. And I'll be looking at the way Hollywood is drawing on British comedy talent.
The Big Picture, Tuesday on One.
We have interrupted normal programming to bring you an important announcement. Please stay tuned. Further information will follow as soon as possible. Across the nation, there have been reports of extreme clouds of dust spreading uncontrollably, causing damage to cities and everything in its way, showing no mercy whatsoever. This violent storm has resulted in multiple deaths and a few yet to be confirmed. It is crucial you pay attention to this broadcast, as it is vital to your safety and your own life. This is not a drill, we cannot stress this enough. You must instantly close any windows or doors leading to the inside of your home to reduce the risk of dust getting inside, causing danger to yourself and your loved ones. This storm has been named the Dust Bowl and is classified as a great threat towards life. It is currently unknown how long the Dust Bowl will carry on for. However, it's important that you take shelter until all clear has been given by emergency services. Exiting your shelter or refusing safety instructions will result in certain death by the storm. You should also start rationing. Ensure that you have enough food, water not to mention, medical supplies to last you for at least 2 weeks. It's your own responsibility to share resources between members of your household. Throughout the storm, expect disruptions to electricity and emergency services. Electricity and emergency services may be severely disrupted due to flying debris and obstructions. Nobody will be able to clean up the aftermath or perform maintenance until the storm has been cleared for good. To prevent dirt or objects from entering your home, further block entrances with furniture and clothes. The more objects you block windows and doors, the better. No amount of precautions is unnecessary for your survival and your life. Sheets of cloth are highly advised to be placed in between windows and doors in order to catch the dust outside, blocking them from going inside your shelter. Thicker sheets of cloth are more effective than thin sheets and are recommended for safety. If you have any young children, consider telling them calmly about the storm and monitoring them at all times. Do not allow them to wander out of your sight and openly allow any questions regarding the Dust Bowl. It is extremely important that we cooperate during these most disturbing and uncertain times. In the event of somebody passing away inside your home, do not attempt to dispose of their body outside. Doing so will result in death due to the heat and nature of the dust. Instead, you should wrap the body in a bag and wait until it's safe to exit your shelter. The current whereabouts of Her Majesty and Prime Minister, John Major, are unknown. We urge them to come forward and address Britain in these times of panic and horror. As of now, we have no communication or updates from any form of authority. We will continue to keep you updated for as long as possible while this situation develops. Ensure you have a battery-powered radio in case electricity or television services go down. Please remain seated for further information. We thank you, the viewer, for tuning in. We have some new information to bring you. Multiple deaths have been reported within the last few minutes. The majority of the deaths are caused by people being severely injured due to flying debris being pushed around by the extreme winds currently present. You must stay vigilant and remain aware due to the storm getting more deadly as time passes. If you have a basement or a bunker, it is highly advised you take refuge there to prevent yourself from further harm. This will lower your risk of death and increase chance of survival until the dust bowl calms down. This situation is showing no signs of stopping, and the nation is still waiting for authority figures such as the Queen and the Prime Minister to come forward. If you have any information regarding the location or status of any of them, please inform us, as your actions may save our country. We want to thank everybody for their courage and bravery. Hopefully the world can return to some form of normality soon. In the meantime, be cautious and calm throughout this historical event. May God have mercy on us all. Thank you.